Namaste students. Namaste. Good morning. How are you, Kanne? Yes, I also fine. Today we are going to see the lesson 6th standard Botany Unit 5. 6th standard Botany. In this Botany Unit 5, the cell. Okay, what is cell? Cell is the basic unit of our human body. Human body or living organisms, any organisms. Cell is the basic unit. See here these two diagrams in the book. Some arrangements are there. Yes? Yes, in this arrangement, observe. What do you observe? Anything? You find anything in these two pictures? Close your eyes. Imagine a brick wall. Okay, ஒரு பில்டிங் நீங்க இமேஜின் பண்ணுங்க. அதுல அந்த பில்டிங் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றப்ப என்ன பண்றாங்க? பேஸ்மெண்ட், தென் பேஸ்மெண்ட் முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் சிங்கிள் செங்கல் வச்சு ஒவ்வொன்றா அப்படியே ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிகிட்டே வராங்க இல்லைங்களா? அந்த பிரிக்ஸ் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட் அப்படியே நீங்கள் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுங்க, இமேஜின் பண்ணிவிட்டு. அதுதான் என்னது? நம்ம பாடியில் இருக்க செல்ஸ். எல்லா ஆர்கானிசம்ஸுமே த பேசிக் யூனிட் இருக்கிறது என்னது? செல். ஓகேவா? செல் இஸ் த பேசிக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சரல் அண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷனல் யூனிட். செல் இஸ் த பேசிக் அண்ட் ஸ்ட்ரக்சரல். Basic and structural basic and structural and functional unit. Functional unit of every living organism. So, cell is the basic structural and functional unit of every living organism. So, cell, very first cell is introduced and discovered by the scientist Robert Koch. See the picture, Robert Koch. Yes. He found the cell with the help of microscope. Yes. Then the structural organization of the cell. The cell consists of three major parts. One is an outer membrane. Then liquid cytoplasm. Then a nucleus. These are the three major parts are present in the cell. First one, an outer cell membrane. Second one, a liquid cytoplasm. third one a nucleus. These three are the main parts of the cell. Yes, analogous to the body's internal organ like eyes, heart, nose, all the organs consist of organelles or specialized structures and perform valuable functions necessary for normal cellular operations. Many distinct structures called organelles lie within the cell. Cells ku ulla irukkiradhu enadhu organelles. Okay va, size of the cell. The size of the cell may vary from different organs. That is, size of the cell is measured by micrometer. 3 million of a meter. Size of the cell. Next one, size of the cells. Million of a meter. The size of the cell is measured in micrometer. 1 micrometer is 3 million of a meter. Yes, this is the size of the cell. Very minute particle. Cell is observed by with the help of microscope. Cell is very first discovered by Robert Koch. The smallest size of the cell is present in bacteria. The smallest size of the cell is present in bacteria. The size of the bacteria cell ranges from 0.01 micrometer to 0.5 micrometer. So, smallest cell present in bacteria, its size is 0.01 micrometer to 0.5 micrometer. Next one, shape of the cell. Second one, shape of the cell. Cells are different shapes. For example, some shapes are given in the picture. Can I see the book? In this book, the shape of the cells are given. Yes, one is thread-like structure, and another one is round structure, and another one is some different shapes are here. Yes, here nerve cell, red blood cell, and muscle cells. Yes. In each organ, all organs are consist of cells. In each organ, cells are present. For example, nerves in the cell, nerve cells are this thread-like structure. Then blood cells are round in shape. Then muscles cells are this type. Yes, so these are the shape of the cell. Next, number. Next one, number. Nerve cell, red blood cell, then muscle cell. There are 3 types of cells. One is nerve cell, red blood cell, muscle cells. Okay. The number of cells. Next to another one is number. number of cells are present in different organisms may vary. Every organisms consists of not a same number of cells. Each and every one it will differ by numbers. Yes, organism may be either unicellular, that is single. Unicellular means single cellular. Unicellular, single. Then bicellular and multicellular. Okay, wow. So single cellular or multicellular organisms such as bacteria, amoeba, chlamydomonas and yeast are unicellular. Can I examples for unicellular organisms? I will write on the board. Bacteria, second one amoeba, chlamydomonas, fourth one yeast. These are the examples of unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms. Can I see the book? This is the size of the cells. Yes, size of the cells ranges. First starting virus, then ending with the eggs of ostrich. These are here. Virus, the cell is very minute in nature. In the egg of ostrich, the size of the cell is very large, that is enormous. So see the first one virus, second one bacterium cell, plant cell, egg of human, then egg of frog, egg of mens, then egg of ostrich. Yes. So the size of the cell is different from each and every organisms. Yes, here unicellular organism, only one cell, that is unicellular organisms. This bacteria, amoeba, chlamydomonas and yeast, it consists of, it made up of only one cell. Yes, then types of cell. Next one, types of cell. Generally, cells are classified into two types. Cells are two types. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Yes, there are two types of cell. One is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Unicellular organisms like bacteria has prokaryotic cell. It has no true nucleus. It has no true nucleus. Nucleus idhula irukadu. Okay va, and the prokaryotic cell enadhu idhula nucleus irukadu. Okay va. Next, this type of nucleus is called as nucleoid. No nuclear membrane is around the nucleoid. These walls are first form the life on earth. It ranging from 0.003 to 2.0 micrometer. So prokaryotic cell ranges is 0.003 to 2.0 micrometer. Example, bacteria coil. See the picture. In this picture is the example of prokaryotic cell. In this prokaryotic cell, there is no nucleus. Yes, there is no nucleus present in the cell. Second one, eukaryotic cell. Second one, eukaryotic cell. In this eukaryotic cell, nucleus is present. Nucleus is present. It is bigger than prokaryotic cell. It is bigger. Eukaryotic cells are big in size. This one small in size. This one big in size. Eukaryotic cells. Yes. See the picture here. This one is prokaryotic cell example. This one is eukaryotic cells. See the picture diagram. Yes. Okay. Here in this eukaryotic cell, ribosomes, cell membrane, all the cell organelles are present in it. All the cell organelles. Membrane, enclosed nucleus, mitochondria, cytoplasm, all the things are present in it. Yes. Here in your book, see the plant cell and animal cell diagram is there. Yes. Yes, Kana. Plant cell diagram. Plant cells are eukaryotic cells. It is big in size. Plant cells are plant cell and animal cell. Animal cell large in size. Large in size. Large in size. Plant cells have cell wall in addition to their cell membrane. Plant cells have chloroplast which contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the main pigment for the color of the leaves. All leaves are present in the trees are green in color. The green color reason is chlorophyll. Yes, in this chlorophyll. Yes, plant cells have large vacuoles and centrioles are absent. Centrioles here not present in the plant cell. Animal cells, all these things are opposite to animal cells. Yes, centrioles present, then chloroplast absent in animal cell. Animal cells are generally smaller than plant cells. It is not so hard as plant. Cell wall is absent. Chloroplast is absent. An animal cell may have many small vacuoles. Centrioles are found in animal cells. Centrioles are present in the animal cells. Okay? No, 2 minutes at once. 20 minutes. Okay, wow. Can I see the picture? This is the diagram of here. See in this picture. Here cell wall is there. Yes, in outer part of the cell is cell wall or cell membrane. Yes, inside nucleus, mitochondria, cytoplasm, nucleolus, all the cell organs are present in the cell. Yes, nucleus is the main part of the cell. So, then the cell structure, see the cell structure of the in this picture. Yes, this is the cell structure we are viewed by microscope. First part is cell membrane. Outer cover is cell membrane. Next one is this one, nucleus. Nucleus and nucleolus. Then cytoplasm. The liquid part of the cell is cytoplasm. Then mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse. Here energy is produced for the activity of the function of the cells. Yes, the above cell, 3-dimensional view. This one is 3-dimensional view. Now latest technology 3-dimensional view தான். Okay, 3D ஃபிலிம்னு சொல்கிறோம் தானே, அது மாதிரி இந்த 3D ஸ்ட்ரக்சரில் இதை நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ டுடே ஹோம்ஒர்க். டுடே ஒரு ஹோம்ஒர்க்கு page number 58 to 60. Page number 58 to 61. Okay, धन्यवाद. Thank you.